What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to go take a look at my long lost 4x8 trailer. If you guys are new here, my name is Joseph, and a while back I bought a 4x8 trailer from Harbor Freight. The idea was to convert the thing into a tiny camper, hook it up to the Jeep and take it off-roading, take it camping, things like that. I never really got around to it, but as of late I've kind of got the itch to bring it back to life. It's parked about 8 miles that way. We're going to go take a look at it, see what the condition of it currently is. Hope we don't run into any raccoons or anything like that. It's been sitting for right around a year now. So let's go take a look at it and see the condition. So I just remote started the Jeep and it cut off after about 10 seconds. Now the Jeep only does that when it doesn't have any fuel in it. Now unfortunately, as you guys saw in the last video I shot with the Jeep, the screen here on the dash went out, so I can't see how many miles are on the Jeep and I can't see how much fuel is in it. So the first stop we gotta make is the gas station. Now the only good news regarding that screen is one of you guys actually told me that there's a recall on that center screen. So in the next video, I'm gonna call the dealership and see if we can get that replaced, get the Jeep fixed, and get it back up and running. There are so many Cybertrucks out on the road. When I was debating getting the Gallardo, it was between the Gallardo or a Cybertruck. I'm kind of super glad I went with the Gallardo. These things are everywhere now. Well, there she is, right on cue, and right where we left her. She's got some company with this Bobcat. But take a look at that thing. Looks rough. All right, so we made it to the tiny camper. Take a look at this thing, guys. Let's do a quick walk around and show you the condition. Now, like I said, it's a little bit rough. Hey, keep it quiet. Look at these guys. Hey, what's up, goats? What's up, goats? How cool is that? What's up, guys? Hi. Hi. Wish I had some food for you guys. But here she is, the tiny camper that never was. The wheels are flat, the tires are flat. This thing is just in rough shape. Look at this, guys. I initially put this tarp on it, but didn't hold up as well as I had hoped. Look at this thing, by the way. Take a look at this Bobcat. Whoa. So the idea is I'm gonna take the tarp off. I wanna take a look at what's going on the inside. Hopefully, like I said, there are no animals or critters or anything like that. So let's see what it looks like on the inside of this thing. All right, so I came prepared. I've got the drill. The only thing holding this door shut is a screw right here. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Like I said, hopefully there are no animals inside. I'm trying to record a video here. You guys are ruining it. Did you guys see anybody go inside my tiny camper? Did you guys see anything? How cool is that, guys? Anyways, so let's open this thing up and see what it looks like. Got the drill right here. All right, easy enough. Let's put that right there, and this thing should just go down under here. All right, here we go. Oh man, this thing is in rough shape, guys. All the insulation is pretty soaked. Subfloor looks like it's soaked. That's what it looks like. So this was supposed to be the front. The back, I was planning on building out a kitchen, but man, I think this thing might be shot, guys. Ugh. Yeah, take a look at that. It's all wet. Obviously all the insulation behind here is probably soaked as well. Should have done a better job with wrapping this thing, but there it is. So I guess you could say we got a little bit of good news, a little bit of bad news. The bad news, obviously the thing is shot. It's in terrible shape. The good news is it gives us a chance to kind of reset, strip the thing completely apart and start over. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Do we revive this thing or do we start a brand new build? Do we buy a pre-built one and just take the thing off-roading, take it camping, things like that? What do you guys want to see? Would you want to see more of a build where I actually build something from scratch? Or do you want to see a pre-built one where we could take it out to somewhere like this, go out in the woods, go camping, maybe go hunting, things like that? Let me know what you guys want to see in the comment section down below. Now, if replacing the tiny camper is an option, this is probably where I'd get it from. So let's drop on in and see what they've got. I see a couple of tiny ones hanging out in the parking lot, so let's see what they got here. So here it is. This place has got RVs and campers as far as the eye can see. Those are actually a nice size right there, but something caught my eye over here. Let's go take a look at it. Man, these things are so cool. I'd love to grab one of these, put the family in it, and go to like the Grand Canyon or Red Rock National Park. These things are a great size, I feel like, right here. How cool is that? But if we were to replace the tiny camper, we'd probably replace it with something like this. I don't know anything about these, but the size. These things look about the same size as my tiny camper, which is about 4x8. But here it is. This thing looks super sick, guys. It's a little bit smaller than I expected in person, but it's got the nice beefy wheels on it. I love how this thing looks. I'd want it all black just so it can kind of look more stealthy, getting towed behind the Jeep. But what do you guys think about something like this? These things are sweet. This one's actually a little bit bigger, so maybe this would be a better option. Got a full door behind it. Pretty sick. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Would something like this be an option? Now, when I went to go check on my tiny camper, I was fully intending on towing it back to my place, parking it, and starting to work on it. But after seeing the condition, it kind of looks like it's beyond saving. I think the thing needs complete demo and rebuild. So let me know what you guys want to see in the comment section down below. Do we demo that, rebuild it? Do we get something like this? Do I get an all-inclusive one that kind of goes on the bed of the truck, of the Jeep over there? There's some companies that make some pretty cool camper and tents for these Jeeps. So let me know what you guys want to see down below. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know again in the comment section what you guys want to see. Guys, don't forget, don't be average. I'll see you guys in the next video.